Alright, time for the 14-15 Upper Deck break. So, as always, we're going to get 3 teams are going to go to the SPX from this. So, first things first, we're going to do that. We're going to randomize this list 3 times. And the top 3 teams will get spots. Here's 1, 2, and 3. It'll be the Columbus Blue Jackets, the New York Islanders, and Detroit Red Wings. We'll get the first 3 spots. So, first up is Columbus. Columbus is owned by Doug. Doug gets spot 1. Slot 2 goes to the New York Islanders. Islanders is owned by, let me look here. Islanders. Oh, I'm going to have to look. Just give me a sec, because I think I made an error. So it looks like I had 2 people holding the Rangers. So somebody has the Islanders, so I'll check it out in a second. And Detroit is Joey. Go to check that out real quick. Looks like I wrote them down. Where's my random video?
Wait, we are doing the random for the 13-14 select.
Wrong one. That's the select. Finish it in a second.
This is your team random on the page for you. Alright.
See if I can find the New York. Oh, the Rangers was 20. So the Islanders is James. James gets it. So James actually had the Islanders, not the Rangers. My bad. Alrighty. Hold on here. Alright. Well, people work out their trades because this is not uploaded to YouTube yet, so trades are still live. We're going to do work. Here we go. I'm going to keep an eye, see if you guys actually make a completed trade while this is ongoing. So make sure we fix this for New York Islanders before we break. There we go, fixing that up. Now, here we go. See if Christine Brett is going to... There you go. Maybe something's going to get a big hit while somebody's making a trade. Because like just now, Christine and Kid are working on a trade while I'm breaking. Here we go. Your first pack. Base, 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 all base. Lame. Check see if there's anything that looks exclusive-y. Nope. Okay. Base. Pack 2. Base. 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 Another base pack? Really? 2 straight base packs to start off a hobby box. Brutal. Try pack 3. See here. Oh, I see a young gun. Okay, base. Base, base. Our first young gun is Scott Mayfield for the New York Islanders. And James, who has the Islanders. Because I just figured that out. Because I wrote down the Rangers twice. Alright. This one is a Hockey Heroes. It is Detroit, Steve Yzerman and Joey. Okay, so there's a... So we figure who's got what. Sorry, I'm a little confused tonight. Just been busy running around doing other things. No trades currently. I think Kit and Brad are in the midst of maybe making one while this break is happening, which is good until this thing goes live. Here we go. We got a shiny something here. Space. And we have a Patrick Sharp. Shining Stars for Chicago. Chicago is James. James got a bunch of teams in this break, so he might get a lot of hits. Base. Next up. Looks like we may have another young gun. So we have base. Vincent Trocheck of the Florida Panthers. For James. So far, James is doing really well. Base. Canvas of Patrice Bergeron of the Boston Bruins for Alfred. There you go. Base. Lots of base for me to sort because I will ship the entire box. Because otherwise I'm going to be chock full of stuff I don't need. Alright, here we go. Base. Oh, it's a young gun. It's a young gun of Patrick Brown of the Carolina Hurricanes. And Brad. Hurricane Mojo. Next up, base. It is a Nazem Kadri canvas. There you go. For the Leafs. And the Leafs belong to Brad. So, Brad, you got 2 cards right in a row. Pitch ready. Belov. Duchesne. It's another young gun. It is David Sverson of the New Jersey Devils for Jason. Yeah, here we go. Bobby Ryan, Scrivens, Cook, Jelena, Ron Larley, and an award. Clickhammer. Looks like that is a base pack. Lame old base pack. Too many base packs in these hobby boxes, that tells you. But yes, when we do the next series, the series 1 for the next year, it's going to be a retail box, so we'll probably get lots of base, but we'll still get the young guns. Ollie Meta, Shiny Stars of Anze Kopitar of the Kings. And Doug gets the LA King guy there of Anze Kopitar. Trying to get on the cover of NHL 17. Bailey, Toy Krug, Carl, Zach, Cassian, Van Riemsdyk, Hickey, Peverly, and another base pack. Lame. Yeah. Here we go. Next up. Dupuis, Seidenberg, Barkov, Couture, Another base pack. Too many base packs in this hobby box. I'm telling you. Here you go. Oshi. Sorry, oh no, it's a young gun. It is Teravainen, Chicago. Who's got Chicago? That is James. Nice young gun for you. I think that might be a $20 bill right there for you. I think you've made your money back on your cards already. On your break cost. Alright, next up we have Hoodler, Carlson, Gibson, Sajak, Higgins, base pack, lame. Go through again, make sure there's no exclusives. Sajak, Higgins, backside, Schultz. Oh yeah, there we go. One out. This one is a jersey card. It's a thick one, so we're gonna put that right down there. Right there, where everybody can see it. We'll do him last. There's the second one, we'll do that one. Oh, looks like this one is too. It's a thickie, so we'll put him down there too. Gotta save those ones for last. Just because. Save, hopefully, what the best is for last. So we have Boys, Bernier, Doan, Johansson, Young Gun, Joey Hishon of the Colorado Avalanche. So I think that's it for James again. I think James has made money on this break. This one's not a thick one, so we got Patrick Sharp, Carey Price, Tyler Johnson. It is a Anze Kopitar canvas for the Kings and Doug. It's a neat looking card. Nice hit for Doug there. Alright, we got Mike Smith, Checklist, Bozak, Jared Stoll, Iginla of the Calgary Flames. Or no, wait, he's not a Flame here, is he? No, he's a Flame on the back. So he goes to the Flames, who is owned by James again. Bam. There you go, James. James hitting dollar bills, y'all. Alright, here we go. Straight Clay Cross. Oh, what's this? Claude Giroux. It's a blue one. So the blue ones are the rare ones. Claude Giroux of the Flyers. Belonging to Philadelphia. Brad. There you go, Brad. Or Christine. One of you guys own these ones. Who hasn't got a hit yet? Oh, Brian. Hit, I think you're missing hit so far. See if we can get someone here. Alright, Suter. Brad Marchand versus Deeg. And it's a canvas of Michael Granlund of the Minnesota Wild. Which is Alfred. Alfred's second hit. Michael Granlund. Minnesota Wild. For Alfred. All those base cards I have to sort through later. Yay me. Next up, we got Kelchenik. Zabrowski. And we got another Shiny Star of Wayne Gretzky. The Edmonton Oilers for Brad. Nice hit for you, Brad. Finally, Edmonton pays off for you. Wayne Gretzky. Woo, there you go. Get a good look at that one. And as much as I like to say we're done, break's over, but no, we got two thicker ones here to go through. Alright, let's have a look-see. Oh, okay. So this one is going to go to James, who is cashed in on this break for the Montreal Canadiens. PK Subban. PK Subban game jersey for James. It's a nice little hit there. Last one. Let's have a look-see. Well, this one goes to Brad. Ronnie Hextall. Look at that. Oh, hey, look at that. It looks a little weird. But Ronnie Hextall for Brad. There you go. Now let's do a recap of this box, which wasn't a half bad box. But we got Hextall, we got Subban, Gretzky, Granlund, Giroux, Gidla, Kopitar, Hishan, Teravainen, Kopitar again, Severson, Kadri, Brown, Bergeron, Trocheck, Patrick Sharp, Eisman, and Mayfield. There you go. I will upload this for your guys' pleasure. There you go.